Success on YouTube still means a life of poverty. You can have 1 million views a month and still not be able to make rent. Why it is harder than ever to make money on YouTube? YouTube success means a living below the US poverty line. If you read articles like these and think that the idea of a YouTuber making $1 billion is absurd, think again.
I just made $3 million in 3 days.
I'm going to make $1 billion or I'm going to go broke trying. Life's too short.
I've made just over $1.9 million from YouTube alone as a YouTuber with 1.3 million subscribers.
After not revealing YouTube's advertising revenue for years, Google finally told investors that YouTube made about $15 billion in advertising revenue in 2019. And of that $15 billion, YouTube paid approximately $8.5 billion to its creators. Now, $8.5 billion may sound like a lot of money, but when we talk about the possibility of an individual creator making $1 billion, $8.5 billion may not be a lot. That's because there are over 16,000 YouTube channels with more than 1 million subscribers. And when the advertising revenue gets shared amongst all the YouTubers who monetize their videos, each individual creator may not make enough money to make $1 billion in their YouTube career. But what if I told you that it doesn't matter? Yes, you heard that right. It doesn't matter if an individual creator is not making enough money from ads on YouTube. What matters is how they are trying to monetize their YouTube channel in ways other than just relying on the income from YouTube ads. How well they are running their YouTube channel as a business. How they are working to establish the brand value of their YouTube channel. You see, 10 to 15 years ago, if someone wanted to reach a lot of people, let's say 1 million people, if they wanted to influence them, they had to do it the traditional way. They had to work to create a mainstream media outlet, or work with the existing mainstream media outlets. But with the rise of the internet giving birth to social media, now everyone has the power to reach and influence a large section of people. And when someone succeeds in doing it consistently, over time, they build a brand value for themselves on social media. It is not an exaggeration when people say Kylie Jenner's Instagram following, which currently stands at 189 million followers, is the reason for her success with her cosmetics business, which helped her become a billionaire at the age of 21. So when Kylie Jenner could make $1 billion with the help of her Instagram following, why can't a YouTuber make $1 billion with the reach they have? When most people think about making money on YouTube, they only think about the money creators make from AdSense, or the money which YouTube pays creators for playing ads on their content. But a smart YouTuber can find ways to monetize their reach in different ways. Some of the ways which YouTubers have used to monetize their reach so far is by making brand deals, affiliate marketing, selling merchandise, and selling courses. And this has allowed some YouTubers to make millions of dollars. Take Graham Stephan for example. If you don't know Graham is a personal finance YouTuber living in California. He has 3 YouTube channels, with his main channel having over 2 million subscribers. And he currently makes over $300,000 per month from YouTube. This includes his YouTube AdSense revenue, money from affiliate marketing with companies like Webull and Robinhood, sponsorships, and selling his programs. Mr. Beast, who started his YouTube channel when he was 12 years old and posts videos about some crazy challenges like surviving 24 hours on a deserted island and spending 24 hours straight underwater, and videos where he makes people compete for money, spent over $10 million on his YouTube videos so far in 2020. That should tell how much he is making from YouTube, with his videos consistently ending up in the trending page and getting over 40 million views very frequently. He makes money from, of course, AdSense, selling his extremely popular merchandise, brand deals, and probably many other ways. There are many more YouTubers who are also making a killing on YouTube, like PewDiePie, who is the most subscribed individual creator on the platform, David Dobrik, and Logan Paul. They all boast huge reach on social media, have established their brands very well, and have been running their YouTube channels like businesses. But of course, this is not the case with every YouTuber. If it were, then everyone in the world would want to be a YouTuber. Like any other career, being a successful YouTuber demands hard work, strategy, unfortunately a bit of luck, and a lot of perseverance. Look at Mr. Beast for example. When his channel was smaller, he was posting videos like counting to 100,000 in one video, and saying Logan Paul 100,000 times to grab viewers' attention and grow on the platform. And ultimately, people took notice of him. And once they did, the rest is history. So while there is some truth to the negative headlines out there about YouTubers being poor, in that a majority of the YouTube channels fail to gain any traction, and in some cases even if they do, are managed poorly and so do not make enough revenue, there is a small percentage of YouTubers who make a killing, who have tremendous reach and are highly influential. It is one of these YouTubers who will make $1 billion one day on YouTube. And with YouTube becoming more and more mainstream every passing minute, that day is probably not far away. That's it for this video, guys. Smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. If you loved the video, share it with your friends. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care.